Alright, so let's add in a donation receipt for the donor that we've just added. We can simply search for the donor by typing his name in here at the top, and we can open up his profile. So from here, we can click on the Add Receipt button in the top right corner, or we can click on the Add Receipt button here in the Summary section. There we go. Once you click on the Add Receipt button, this will open up the Create New Receipt form. And then from here, you can change the receipt type by clicking on the drop down in the top right corner. So this is fully customizable, and you can add your own receipt types here when you set up your account. So you can switch between things like a sales receipt, if this is a charity shop where you'd like to issue a sales receipt or a raffle sale and so on. Adoption, this would be mostly for your animal welfare organizations and so on. Right, so once you're happy with the receipt type, you can go ahead and add in the amount. Let's say Dave has given us 500 rands. We can select the date. We can backdate this. Let's say this was received back on the 15th of January. And we can select the receipt method. So this would be, how did you receive the funds? Was it a cash donation, an online donation, or did it come in through one of your bank accounts if you've got multiple? You can also record donations in goods in kind. So let's say this donation came in via our net bank account. You can also select this checkbox if this donation requires a Section 18A. So you can do so by clicking here. And then from here, you can allocate these funds to a specific project by simply clicking here, and then you can select a project that this donor would like to donate to. You can also search for a specific project that you've got, for example, healthcare. And if the donor has given you a lump sum amount and would like to split his donation, you can do so by simply clicking on the Add Allocation button in the bottom of your screen. So simply click on this, and this will allow you to add another allocation. So let's say he would also like to donate to hunger alleviation, for example. You can select that here and add in the amount. Let's close this for now. Under additional fields, this is where you can record things like donations received in foreign currency. You can add in the value here, the monetary value here, and then you can add in the 3-letter code for that specific currency. And you can click this button to automatically calculate the current rand value. You can add in an internal reference for the specific receipt if you'd like, and you can also add in receipt notes. So this will be visible on your donation receipt, so on the PDF that you send to your donor, and this can be used for recording donations as goods in kind. So you can have the monetary value up here at the top, and then the specific item that was donated, you can add that in here. So for example, if you received food parcels, clothing, stationery, books, and so on, you can add that in here. So once you're happy with all of the information on the receipt, you can simply click on Create Receipt here at the bottom. Confirm that all of the details are correct, and there you go. The receipt has just been generated. From here, you can either click on the WhatsApp button to WhatsApp this to your donor. You can click on the email button here to email this to your donor. You can click on PDF to download a PDF of your receipt, and you can click on Print to print a copy of your receipt. Okay, if you noticed after you've issued the receipt that there was an error or you need to correct something, as long as the Section 18A has not been issued, you can edit the receipt here. If you'd like to void this receipt for some reason, you can do so by clicking here to void the receipt.